RC Gary Crawler Osmagomio TV Auto Repair and Maintenance Services Garage Tire Maintenance. Keep your vehicle safe by 4x4 off-road scale. Having Canadian Tire Auto Services inspect your tires and wheels to detect problems. Tire maintenance. Why? Correct for inherent imperfections in tires and wheels to avoid stress on the steering and suspension system. When you experience any symptoms of vibration. When you have new tires installed or tires rotated. What's included? Computerized verification of all wheels, visual inspection of tire tread. There may be an additional charge if vehicle has a tire pressure monitoring system.